Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be testing the FMM PC port I've been working at. Today I'll be testing the new spawn system I've done, 30 stages, with the scaling difficulty of the endless stage. Okay, almost like the original game. I did not do very massive update, I just changed these skills and added this stages and merged them with this project. This project was just showing the main menus, but for now it's showing the both main menus and the gameplay at the same time. So the release of the game is very near to what, guys? Well, this new game gets you 50 coins every time you hit 100 enemies, as you see above. But let's ignore this for now. The Cartoon Network and Game Grumpy Face logo. You check this is a main menu, the very same. Well, and it's also a quit button because if you are full screen, I don't know how to quit it. Just simply Alt and F4. But for some beginners, they don't. Well, let's go to the main menu. This is the settings. You can adjust the voice. I mean the sound, the music and effects. I can just lower both so you can hear me. Do you hear me? This is the reset data button if you want to reset your game, and this is the full screen mode if you want to enable and disable it. Well, but for now I'm enabling it for sure because as you saw, the window got smaller after I disabled it. Well, let's go to the instruction scene. As you see, and you see it's showing you the a very specialized one for the PC port. As you see, the special abilities tells you to use the hotkeys, Z for the first power, X for the second, which you need to unlock. C is for the power-up, mustache, or the tennis ball gun. Combos build combos to multiply your speed and score. Switch characters, press shift to toggle the character switch menu. Well, as you saw in the previous video, I was fighting the fridge. I was pressing shift to toggle the switch menu. You can also use 1 for Gumball, 2 for Darwin, 3 for Anise to switch between them quickly. You can use a regular 1, 2, 3 or the num 1, 2, 3, the num keys, if you have it. So not all computers have it, so they have to use the ones that are far away. Also, you can use the shift button. I think it will be better if you want to check the stats of the characters. Move, use the arrows or the ASWD. You can also use the attack to space. This is a specialized achievements page for the achievements you need to complete. You have the locked state as you see, an empty photo for the achievement circle. This is how they lock when unlocked. Captain Punch, take down Dork, down of the bread, food fight, take out terror, snack attack. As you check, okay? Let's just go to the shop to check it. I did not add the coin label here. Well, as you check the shape of the shop, it looks very beautiful, just as the original game. This is Gumball, this is Anise, and this is Darwin for sure. You can also use the power-ups, drag them as you want here. Gumball when he's using the tennis ball gun, Anise with her wings and halo. Oh, she looks very cute. She also doesn't have the eyebrows. I tried to edit them, but I don't know how to use the fucking Photoshop. Well, Darwin, we can also put the mustache on him. He looks very adult. Well, these are the power-ups, but they do not work right now. I will show you how they are working for me. I was just using a very simple test screen to show the stats of the characters. Well, let's now, for example, choose the stage 1 of the chapter 1. I did not put the tutorial yet, but I place the spawn system, how enemies spawn. Let's try it now. Let's wait. It will take a long time. Forget about what you have seen. This is only a test scenario scene. You want, for example, see this in the final release for sure. Well, as you see, I can here adjust my health, if he has the second power, X or not, or what the heck is the power up. Is it mustache? Is it extra life? Is it launcher? Because I told you, the shop does not work right now. I did not make it really work. I just put some visual tests to see if my work is correct or not. So let's just, for example, no, let's choose nothing for now. Just stage one. So let's go. This will be the first thing after we complete the tutorial. Makes the super share very effort. Like this minutes. Take this now. Take this next. Sorry for things. Well, let's end this part. Yes, finish the stage. I need to make this fucking star sync with the rainbow. That will take a very long time and hard to do, but whatever. I really worked hard for this shitty result screen. But whatever. Well, this is a transition between the result and the shop. It looks very good. We can cycle to the next stage. Ignore this as I told you. It's now a place for Darwin to see how to deal with them. Just hold your space button. Use the charge attack. There is one over here. Let's attack them. The one over here does not take it. Take this. Here. Take this properly. Come on, man. Nice. Yippee! Whoa. Good, I got a high score. 966. Well, let's just go back. Enough for 2 stages for this chapter. Let's test the Take Up Terror chapter, the chapter 2. Let's, for example, test which stage. Oh, the first. The first one of here is very good because of this. That's a very good opener. 6 buckles in a triangle shape, as you see. Also a very good stage. So check to make the gold coin get you 5 points instead of 2 at the original content. Also, the coins get very scattered. I don't find this something bad, but it will be something hard to collect them. Let's kill the students. Cheese is very Let's get rid of this little part. And this sticks. Good. Oh, I did not get a high score because I got hit multiple times because of the fucking stick. Well, we can test another stage, but not the second. I use this button to unlock the stages, but this is how they are supposed to be. Well, let's, for example, choose which stage. Oh, the force. The force is very good. Well, only test this. I think it starts the same as the original game. Let's take it. Oh, there is a killer. Let's take it. This is the M letter down the way. Oh, this is a B letter. Let's see. Sugar Rush. Yeah, it's called Hyper Dash and Sugar Rush. Whatever you want to call it. Gumball is very crazy after it increased to 30. What if we use Tantrum? Oh, I'm very crazy. About the end stage, well, we can just collect the letters to showcase them. Nice. Yes, I got a high score, but it's less than my best by only 4 points. What the heck? What did I hit enough? What did I hit more? A stick? Or two? Whatever. Let's just go test another stage. Unlock all the stages for now, but it will take the original classic unlock method. Let's stay. Which stage? The sixth stage is very good. It only have some simple enemies, but a very high groups of the ice tray. Let's check. Originally it starts by Gumball, but I make it start by Darwin because only Darwin and I is only one stage to start with. As I told you, very high amounts of the ice tray. What the fuck? Can you stop freezing my teammates? You can froze me. Come on! Oh, hell no. Knife is dead, man. Shit. Oh, shit. Oh. Keep in mind, you don't need to press multiple times to use this weapon. You can only hold the space button. It will move the attack. Oh no, I've lost two of my characters. Help me! Help me! The stuck on the head. Oh. Let's go in this stage. This stage is not that hard. Oh no, what the heck? Oh, the sex group is very hard. They're spawning very. Whatever. Yeah, I'm almost there. Almost there. I'm getting a very bad score. Yes, 4,000, but I don't think it does not even reach 1 star. What? I got these 3 stars? I don't even know the thresholds of the stars. Whatever. I forgot how the thresholds of the stars are. Whatever. Okay, we tested some good stages. We can now test an endless stage. Let's test the first one because it's very good. And also we did not test endless stages of this type for a long time. Of the first chapter. We test this two, the second, and the third. We test this the third twice. We will need to test this. Okay, this one will be harder. The level of the difficulty is increasing, and you will need to use power-ups, of course. Let's check it. good opener for brokers around you. Take this. Monster fight. Take this. Guys, I did not answer the question. I forgot to answer it. Well, the first one was asking me why did you start the project. I wanted to start this project to do what you are seeing, man. I'm killing the unicorns. I really like this kind of game, side-scrolling action video, such as this one also flipped down Powerpuff Girls. It's a good game type. I liked it because it had my favorite cartoons, Amazing World of Gumball. Also, I like the season 1 characters. Season 2 and above, they both look very cute like them. Also, I like the end stage. This was the main reason I love this game. That's why I don't like played out like such as this. That was not happening stage, it was only super tough. Only hard stages, but they are not endless. I already added an endless stage. I wanted to go to the endless. At this stage 13, there are two super tough speed. If you want to know about the mode, you can ask me and I'll show you the link. Oh, I got a 100 combo. Let's use an ice. She's very quick when she will have about 30. Take this. Oh, 110. Let's use Darwin. Darwin will compete at this. Not that bad. To wait me. It's weak. It always starts down. 160. Oh no, I hate these sticks. Let's take this. This idiot. That one does not use the aims when he hits. Gumball and a nice dude. Gumball's push attack is more. Let's stick to the last one. Let the parents help us. The weapon is far away. Oh shit! My score is already above the surface one. Well, to get a high score, to get 3 stars with the bonus stages, you need to get over 30,000. The minimum score to win this stage is to get at least 2,000 just to get 1 star. If you don't get the 1 star in the original game, nothing happens actually. But with this point, you will actually lose this stage. It's like boss. The results. I already added a custom one time. The previous one took you to the shop, not the but the current one takes you to the result screen. I showed it on one of my videos. Oh no, Darwin and Gumball are very bruised. Let's heal to them. That is good. Oh no! That's very annoying. Oh shit, my characters are very bruised.
Don't worry, bro.
Well, let's see. Great win. The third one. We need to. Well, let's first finish this. Oh, that's good. I finished that half the one. 300. How can we do it? How can we do it? We can't do it. Let's take the mustache again. Oh, 3 bread rolls. Take this. Take this. No, I'm overwhelmed. No. Yes. Oh no, 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 no. No. That's a nice heavy monster level. Yeah, that combo. Nice, nice. Very high score. No, no, I lost my combo. I lost about. Oh no. Oh no, yes, that's you exactly said. No, no. You guys don't know double die. It's 5. I need to do it. Oh, Gumball, do it. Shit. See, Darwin, to the left. Shit. This is very annoying, man. Może nas stać. Take this. Shit. Why? Revive.
I am a survivor.
Oh, you are dying. You want that shitty. Oh, characters are very good to heal. No. Really high score. Also, I got about 1,000 points. Oh no, a nice die! Oh shit. I'm not gonna do it. Oh shit. Eat this. No! I think you can do it. I don't know how to do it, but I'm... Oh, there are 5 of them. There are 5. There are monsters here. Take this. Yeah, raise the power. This bit. Another raise the power. You try to achieve it. This. can survive this one point. I can survive till I get 5,000. I can get 5,000. 500,000. Oh no! Lost. Well, that's very good, but I got more, as you see. I screenshot my score at the Discord server. Well, good game, guys. I hope you like this preview of my mood. Let's now answer the rest of your questions because I did not answer them all. Well, will the game on the PC, would it be possible for mod support when it's done? Well, I don't know what you exactly mean, but if you mean adding mods, so yeah, you can easily add mods. But only by modifying the characters or and something like that. But no, the source code will not be available for the game. Other games made by Unity, they have the assembly C# DLL file, which contains all the codes of the game. But no, this will not be editable. It's made by an engine called Focus TDX. It makes a C++ old games. Well, I'm using this old one because it was the same one the original game for the iPhone made with. So yeah, I cannot say that you can support mod. But if you mean just receiving updates, so yeah, of course, the mod must receive updates because it may have bugs or something like that. You can report me the bugs at my Discord server. Join it. It's in the description. Well, another one questioning. Thiago Saliva. Saliva? Well, Silva. Why did you decide to start a project? As I told you, that very incredible game I I must revive it. As you see, we had a very fun time attacking the enemies. So of course I must revive this game. Will the project continue receiving updates? Of course it must receive updates. Because as I told you, there might be bugs I have to fix. Okay, the third one. Will the port have the achievements like the original game? Yes, it already has its own achievement screen. As you see, guys, this is the locked, this is the open one. Okay, as you saw, there are 20 achievements. One, two, and three. Okay, do you work alone or have a team? And when the game is out, do I work alone? Yeah, I work alone. I don't have a team. I'm working alone because all I'm doing is coding. I'm just coding because I already have the sprites, and this is the images, the sounds, the music, also some PL, PLIST files, the place files I'm using to create the sequence of the stages. Okay, I did not have to watch every frame of every stage of the game. I already had to watch the place files and copy them to the code. So yeah. I work alone because I don't have already much work to do. When the game is out, well, as I told you, it might be in September, but I cannot promise you. Although it's very near to end, I'm very near to end it. But I cannot promise you for something I ain't sure about because rearranging the resources will be very hard. The resources of the game are very messy. They will take a long time to rearrange. Could you add control support with RAML? Well, I don't think the control would be a good idea because you do not have much buttons like in a football game or something like that to add into the game. So no need to add them. So I'm sorry, but if you want the control support, you can I can try to check this out. Well, will it be released for Android? Well, I do not want to continue working for an Android partner right now. I'm getting rest now after I finish the result screen you have seen. You have seen. You have saw. So I cannot now work on an Android board even after I finish this. But you can already play the game on an Android device using one later after I release the game. But I cannot also tell you that it will 100% work because I tried it on one later and it's very laggy. So no, I cannot work for an Android for now. So I'm very sorry. When can we play? As I told you, maybe in September, maybe not, because I don't know what else is waiting for me. The game will be in a browser? No, it's a C++ game that works in an exe file, not a flash game or something like that. So I'm sorry, I cannot put it on a browser. Well, someone is asking me again, the same guy who asked about the achievements page. He's asking about uploading it to Steam. So no, I cannot upload it to Steam. It's not an original game. It's a fan-made game. I'm remaking an old game, the Android, the iPhone one. I'm remaking it to PC. It's a fan-made game. I am not eligible to get money from it or something like that. I will only upload it on itch.io. It's a very good site add the to upload your fan games or indie games. Also, I can upload in a custom blog post or a Mediafire link or something like that. Okay, so I can tell you that our video is over. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you got enough info about the port. I'm sorry for my bad English. It's just my first time for voice review or something like that. So I can hope you good luck, guys, and bye bye.